Yeah, what's up, my people? I go by the name Bashito today, and I'm live with
Geo,
Gio. Wow, you have a beautiful name.
thank you.
Gio, please, if you don't mind, can you give the camera to the sister?
Oh,
Oh, damn, it's crazy though. Oh, Gio, now, please, I have a very few questions for you.
okay.
Yeah, let's assume that maybe you have ability to fly like a bird to anywhere in this country. Where would you like to fly to?
Country?
Maybe throughout the world. Let me tell you something like that.
To the US.
Now
Yeah.
to see back for this
When US?
Why? Did you say why?
I say where in US?
Atlanta.
Atlanta, Georgia. Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, so girl.
What?
So girl,